Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Cheryl and welcome to Cheryl and the Food Etc. Today we are going to make some chocolate cherry filled donuts. Let's go start with our ingredients. First, we have 2/3 cups of milk, 1 package of instant yeast, 1 tablespoon sugar, 1 and 1/2 cups all-purpose flour, 2 egg yolks, 2 tablespoon vegetable oil, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1/2 teaspoon vanilla extract, and of course, a box of cherry-filled chocolate. First, we're going to mix our warm milk with 1 tablespoon sugar and 1 packet of instant yeast, and then mix it together and set aside. Next, into our mixing bowl, we have 1.5 cup of flour. We're going to add 2 egg yolks, 2 tablespoons oil, our instant yeast mixed, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon vanilla, and mix it well until well incorporated, and we'll knead it afterwards. So in a clean surface, we're going to knead our dough. Make sure you dust your working station, and then we'll knead the dough for at least 5 minutes or until no longer sticky. Now we can go ahead and form a bowl, and then we are going to put our dough into a mixing bowl, put a little bit oil around it, and then cover it with a clean cloth and leave it for at least 30 minutes to rest. After 30 minutes, we can go ahead and roll our dough again, and then we can portion our dough into 10 pieces according to how many pieces of chocolate we have that we are going to put inside our donuts. Next, we can go ahead and open our box of chocolate and set it aside for our next step. With the cut up dough pieces, we are going to form a ball out of it and set it aside for the next step. So the next step is to get a piece of dough, make it flat and round, and then put 1 piece of chocolate in the middle, and then gently wrap the chocolate with the dough. Make sure you seal all the holes and the chocolate is well covered with the dough. Pinch all these holes until it's all covered and sealed, and then you can put it into a baking dish or baking sheet and set it aside, and let's do the rest in the same step. Just repeat the same process with the rest of the dough. After that, we can go ahead and cover our dough with a clean cloth and let it rise for another 45 minutes. Now we can go ahead and preheat our oven at 375 degrees, and then we're going to bake our donut for 10 minutes. 10 minutes later, we can take out our donuts from the oven and let it cool completely. Next, we are going to generously dust our donuts with some sugar icing or powdered sugar, and then it is ready to be served. Thank you so much for watching my video. Hope you like this recipe and give this a try. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and press the notification bell to get notified for more videos. Thank you so much and take care. Bye.